This is coming to you 3 weeks newer from last week. I'm actually able to get something consistent. Yay. Yeah. So, if you live under a rock and you're part of the Nerf community and don't know what this is an Adventure Force Nexus Pro. You can get it from $50 at Walmart under the very rare circumstance in which you can actually find one on shelves now. And it hits 150 FPS out of the box. Now, I'm not too used to the sniper archetype, so what's coming up now could prove very interesting.
Alright, go! Alright.
Okay, this is sudden. Alright, let's go, do whatever. Load first mag.
We'll join you.
Goodness, that's just far. I'm blowing ammo way too quickly. I lost count already.
Grab the mag. Grab the mag. Grab the mag. Oh.
I don't know if I got him or not. That could have been a teammate. It's so hard to see. These darts are black. He was hit already. I only have one mag. Ooh, got him! I don't know if I have any shots left. At least 2 left. That dry fired? Excuse me. Did that short stroke? Dang it. Got pushed out. Yeah, this mag is done. I don't know. I've used this so little, I don't know like the firing arc or anything, which is the problem. This might seem like a dumb question, but is this little red LED up here flashing? Okay, we're good. Oh! You out? Right, you're on my side. Why would we... Dry fire again? Excuse me? Did that hit? Or is that your blaster? It looked like it from my end. Ooh, got him! That went well. I could have sworn I hit him too. I did not.
It looked like it bounced off.
Watch the left, that tree. Oh, yeah! That was what I came here to do! Goodness, the range on this is insane! Four shots left. That missed. Wait, what? It did it?
Yeah, forehead.
Whoa! I had one shot left in that mag. Goodness, this thing is awesome. I haven't been tagged yet either. Like, what even?
Yeah.
I'm not dead. Don't count me in.
Doing good. We're either doing really good or no one's counting.
Looks like it. That guy's driving me nuts over there. Oh goodness, he's rushing hard. That's bad. I can't see from... Again, not dead, but I'm going blind with this mask.
I'm all out of ammo.
I have about a magazine and a half left.
There's a whole bunch of crappy Nerf.
Any half lengths? That went to the right. Tag! Got you! Did that bounce or... I don't know. I don't know. I'm not sure. That was definitely close. That flew low. 6 darts. Goodness! There are moments in which I am awesome and others not so much.
Darts already?
Uh-huh, that's Prometheus. You have to be careful with your trigger finger. I would know about this. I run a Perses. Hey look, I hard carry with it though.
Yeah.
This is a worker dart. This should do. I'll get less range out of it. It's beaten to death. Oh dear. I'm not ready to fire. That's important to know. How haven't I died? Riley's out to kill me, apparently. That's good to know. Oh, he's going melee. You're going melee, aren't you? Just... Snipers. Left-ish. He doesn't have that range. Yeah, you're wasting my time. You're wasting your time! Oh, that went just a little bit low. 4 left, 1 left. Almost down to my last mag. That must have hit the tree. I can't see those darts fly through the air. Once if I see people call their hits, it might be tricky to get the kill counter to be accurate.
Well, it's alright.
I still haven't died yet. I think.
I died twice.
How much is it?
Oh, thank goodness.
And I got hit 0.
22. That's a little bit risky. What are they at? Did I hit? I don't know.
Oh yeah, we're at 23 though.
This has been fun in the moments in which I'm able to hit stuff from miles away. That fell short. That didn't fall short. Tad! Oh! Got him! I get the nut shot this mate. Oh boy. Oh, that dry fired. Am I short? I think I'm short stroking this. Fortunately, there's a good amount of dry fire protection in this, just based off of reviews and whatnot. Did that hit? Keep going. Oh, he's calling out. Oh, figures. Is there any left? I don't know. I can't see what I have left. I don't know if it's loaded either. Only one way to tell. Rushing right side. 3 shots. 3 shots left. In this wonderful experience I've been having. Don't get too cocky, Riley. I know. I keep getting near misses. They're targeting me. Defend, please.
I like your comments, by the way.
Oh. We lost.
We hit 30.
What's their score?
26.
26.
Wow.
That was close.
Good job. Good hit.
COVID.
Don't hit. Oh, wait. Good hit. Do I get one? Good job. Good hit, Simon. Hey, Simon. Get hit in the nuts.
Yeah. I got your caliburn from like 100+ feet away. It was beautiful.
You're right. You do have patience.
Yep.
Besides the fact my seat had jammed.
Oof. Dang. Well, this was certainly an experience. Thanks for watching.